So what we do for this is we take a pipette and cut off the bottom part, so you only have about this much. Can you see that? About this much of the pipette. Then you're going to put this into the finger of a glove. You're going to put 2 washers on. Probably do that before you put it into the glove, just to give him a little head there. And you're going to secure his head on with a small rubber band down below the washers. Okay. Then, since an octopus has 8 legs, you can take some scissors and you can just make some cuts here into your finger of your glove and give him some octopus legs. Just in case you have some very astute children, you might want to make sure you get 8 legs. All right, now to make him float and then sink, you need to get a little bit of water inside the head of the pipette, into the head of the octopus. So I'm going to put him into some water and squeeze a little bit. You'll see some air bubbles coming out. And then just make sure he floats partially in, partially out of the water. And then you're just going to fill up one of your bottles with the water. I'm not going to fill it the whole way, you understand. Fill it with the water. And you're going to put him down in there. Put your lid on. And then use either electrical tape or some type of sealing tape to tape around the edge like I did here, just so we don't get any leaks when we squeeze really hard. So, God is amazing, and He has created all kinds of things. Got over 150 types of octopuses living right about now that we know of. And that's your lab for the day.